Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make faux fur. First, let's gather our essential materials to ensure a smooth crafting process. You'll need a good quality faux fur fabric, a very sharp craft knife, and a reliable cutting mat. Don't forget a strong fabric adhesive, plus your sewing supplies. Having a well-lit, spacious workspace will make a big difference, allowing you to work comfortably and precisely on your project. Now, let's move on to cutting and shaping your faux fur. The key here is to always cut from the fabric's backing side. This technique helps you avoid snipping the fur fibers, which keeps the pile looking natural and full. Use your craft knife with small, controlled strokes for the best results. Remember to trace your pattern pieces carefully onto the backing, paying close attention to the fur's pile direction for a uniform look. Next, we'll focus on sewing and assembling your faux fur pieces. When pinning, place the fur sides together, ensuring your edges align perfectly. A strong polyester thread is ideal, and a walking foot on your sewing machine will help feed the thick fabric evenly. Sew with a 1/2 inch seam allowance, remembering to backstitch at the beginning and end of each seam for durability. After sewing, gently brush any trapped fur out of the seams to create a smooth, invisible join. Finally, let's add those important finishing touches and discuss care. Take your time to trim any stray fibers or uneven edges, giving your faux fur creation a truly professional look. Then, gently brush the entire piece to fluff up the fur and remove any loose strands, making it soft and luxurious. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. To keep your faux fur looking its best, store it flat or hang it carefully to prevent crushing the pile.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.